If you're someone looking to go all out in the world of VR, chances are you don't have any budget limits, and this is exactly where the HTC VIVE XR Elite comes into play. Costing just over $1,000, it's the dream of every VR enthusiast out there. Jumping straight into the design, the XR Elite features an all-black aesthetic that surely does feel premium at first sight, with its oversized mirror-glossy front panel that's totally different from its predecessor, the HTC VIVE Pro 2. The headset features 5 cameras along with a depth sensor for mixed reality content. The unique feature here is that it can be used as a standalone VR headset without the battery pack and can be plugged in directly to your PC, making it one of the most lightweight VR headsets on the market right now, weighing at just 260 grams. However, this will take away the wireless attribute from the overall VR experience. When it comes to comfort, the XR Elite isn't exactly a comfortable VR headset at first glance, and you'll have to use the extra material top head strap to get the most comfort out of the headset. On the flip side, it compensates for the substandard comfortability through the adjustable IPD and diopter dials that will help aid people who use glasses. You can easily adjust the headset according to your liking and immediately enjoy a crystal clear VR experience like never before. Now, coming back to the basics, the speakers on the XR Elite are implemented in a familiar way, that is, being built into the headset's arms. The sound quality is great, as expected from a premium VR headset, but I would have appreciated a 3.5mm jack for external headphone support. At the bottom of the headset, there are 2 microphones that can be used for social VR apps, and they sound exceptional as well. The controllers of the Elite XR are also familiar in design, closely resembling those shipped with the Vive Focus 3. The button layout is similar to that of the Quest VR headsets. The main difference lies in these controllers having a built-in battery charged via a USB-C port located below the grips of each controller. HTC claims the battery lasts more than 15 hours, though in real-world gaming, you should expect it to last slightly less than the company claims. Overall, the controllers feel premium to the touch and function well. The headset itself has a battery life of around 2 hours with the included battery, as claimed by HTC. However, expect the same story here. It won't last more than 2 hours if you plan to use it extensively. The performance and gaming is great, as expected from a VR headset of this caliber. It also incorporates the Snapdragon XR2 chip, resulting in a buttery smooth experience with all standard games and VR apps. Head and hand tracking are also accurate and lag-free, and the standalone game library offers a few interesting games, including Half-Life Alyx, The Walking Dead, Boneworks, and much more. If we talk about the direct competitors of the Vive XR Elite, there aren't many headsets out there that offer unique features, such as the adjustable diopters with a similar price tag. The Apple Vision Pro could outrun the XR Elite, but it falls behind when it comes to Universal OS and gaming support. Overall, the HTC VIVE XR Elite justifies its premium price tag with unique features like adjustable diopters, a removable battery pack, and direct PC tethering. These make it a compelling choice for VR enthusiasts. However, potential buyers should be prepared to overlook a few caveats, such as its average comfort and somewhat substandard out-of-the-box battery life. To sum up, what I like is the adjustable diopters, the removable battery pack, and the all-black unique design. On the downside, the battery life is low, and it's not very comfortable. Ratings: Design, 9 out of 10. Performance, 9 out of 10. Screen, 8 out of 10. Comfort, 6 out of 10. Value, 8 out of 10. For an overall rating of 8 out of 10.